Hello guys, SWR Roblox videos here. Today I'm here at Financial Quarter on the Connect line, where you'll be seeing services purely by just Connect. 267, 68 went past with a service bound for Step Victoria. They'll probably make a return. Yeah, so let's see what else shall turn up here at Financial Quarter. Passing a 267, 268. And now coming in is the delayed 1630 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria, formed as 357. Departing is the delayed 1630 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. I don't care. Thank you for watching. Most of the trains are now currently delayed and cancelled. So yeah, here at Financial Quarter. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.